Everybody, Christine here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, hello. Today, as you can see by the box in front of me, we've got another PR package from Madam Glam. They reached out to me again. They said they really liked my design last time and working with me, so they sent me another package. So basically I was allowed to choose some products that I wanted. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm super excited. As you know, I'm always super excited. Right, okay, let's get it open. Oh, right, bear with me because this, oh, yeah, and that's it, we're on. Okay, oh, I'm excited. Right, okay, let's whip it open. Ooh, okay, so we've got a blue, and this is, what's this, a vitamin C. This is from the Neon collection, by the way. So this is a gorgeous blue. Oh yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, it's quite thick. Oh, it's a gorgeous blue. So yeah, this collection is, like I said, is from the Neon collection. So yeah, nice, we like. And we've got this gorgeous orange, and that is Screaming Summer Neon. Oh, that's appropriate, isn't it? Considering the summer has just arrived. Well, it has in England anyway. Getting some gorgeous sun. Oh, that is lovely. Look how bright that one is. Really, really pretty. Nice. And then I picked out this gorgeous green, which is Neon Lime Green. All right. I love this collection. It's so vibrant and bright and so pigmented. Look how gorgeous that is. Really nice and bright. There's that one. And then the last one is, did I say the name of that one? Yeah, Neon Lime Green, that was, sorry. And this yellow one is Neon Sun. So yeah, Neon Sun, which is gorgeous yellow. Oh, look how bright that is. Wow, that is bright. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you remember last time, I did have the pink one, and that is Barbie, Bright Barbie Neon, which is this pink. So that's from the same collection. I'll show you if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen it. It is absolutely stunning pink. Oh, I love this pink. Absolutely love it. So gorgeous. So yeah, guys, that's the colours that I got, the 4 colours that I picked. Also, I'd just like to tell you about the polishes. They're 21 free formula, henna free, cruelty free, palm oil free, which is like absolutely amazing. If you are new to my channel and you would like to go and check out the Barbie nails, please feel free. That's the colour that I used. It's absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, this is the Neon collection. I have got a discount code for you, which I shall put up on screen. And also I've got a link in my description box. If you click on there, it will automatically activate my code. Okay, and at the checkout, if you choose pay as you go, or you can become a VIP member. The VIP member is £29 a month. That becomes store credit in your account, so you can use it at any time. All your gels will be 50% off always, exclusive private sales, early access to new arrivals. You can pause or cancel at any time. It's free USA shipping. Try it for free first of every month. So yeah, it's amazing. Okay, really good. And these polishes, they're Well, you can see how pigmented they are. They're absolutely gorgeous. Let me just swatch them and I'll come back. Okay, so I've done the swatches for you. The pink one you've seen. So this is the blue one. And then the orange. So bright. I did do 2 coats, but trust me, they didn't need 2 coats. You could have quite easily got away with 1, but I thought, you know, I'm going to do 2 coats because I always do 2 coats. And then the pink one, which you've already seen. So they're the colours, guys. So what do you think? Gorgeous, aren't they? What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little design now. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, grab a cup of tea, grab a snack, and yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you later. Bye.
you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what